Low-carb keto eggplant with chicken filling, aromatic and restaurant style, without the extra carbs. You can find all ingredients in the description. I like to prep everything first for calm cooking. I slice the eggplant from one side to make a deep pocket. Deep, but not all the way through. The eggplant goes into the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes until soft. I dice the chicken breast small. It cooks faster and stays juicy inside. I finely chop onion and garlic so the flavor spreads evenly. This dish fits low carb perfectly. Big flavor, fewer carbs, and long-lasting fullness. In a little olive oil, I saute a rosemary sprig. The aroma already fills the kitchen. I add the chicken to the pan and spread it into an even layer. Salt and pepper go in according to taste. Then onion and garlic. I stir and cook briefly until soft. If you enjoy this style of simple cooking, like and subscribe. More easy ideas are coming. I add spices, teriyaki sauce and sesame, mixing so the chicken absorbs all the flavor. I grate the cheese finely so it melts smoothly. The soft eggplant comes out, and while still hot, I mash the inside with a fork until creamy. Eggplant is low in calories and high in fiber. Great in keto cooking instead of starchy sides. I mix cheese into the center until it turns creamy and aromatic. I chop cherry tomatoes and place them on top for freshness and color. The hot chicken goes on top. All the flavor comes together in one place. A sprinkle of parsley and it is ready. Warm, fragrant, and truly satisfying. Thanks for cooking with me today. Leave a like and a comment and come back for more low-carb recipes.